What's up, guys? It's me, Alex here, coming back at you with another vlog. Today we got something a little special. As you see from the title of the video, we have an unboxing video. Let's get started. So let's take a look at what we have here. I have some mysterious brown box, and we're going to be unboxing it. Don't need any of this stuff. Alright, let's continue with the unboxing. And there you have it, guys. That's been my unboxing video. I hope you've enjoyed it. Make sure to leave a comment down below for suggestions on what you want for the next video. Like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. Join the notification squad.